Welcome to my cooking channel. I'll share new recipe 3 times a week from Friday to Sunday. Let's cook with Momo. Stir-fry broccoli with fried bean curd. Ingredients are broccoli, chopped garlic, and fried bean curd. Sauté chopped garlic. Add bean curd and stir-fry. Add broccoli and 3 tablespoons water. Simmer until broccoli turns softened. Season at taste. Place broccoli and fried bean curd. Fried broccoli with fried bean curd is done. Look at the broccoli, so beautiful like an art. This recipe is so easy and delicious. Cook and share this recipe with your family. Impress them with the outcome. Hope you liked today's recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Today let's stir-fry bitter gourd bihun. Ingredients are bitter gourd, dried shrimps. The bitter gourd is not bitter at all. Soak bihun until softened. Wash dried shrimp, drain and set aside. Sliced carrot. Bitter gourd remove seeds and sliced it. Stir-fry dried shrimp until fragrant. Add bitter gourd, season and stir-fry. Add 1 bowl hot boiling water. Simmer until bitter gourd softens. Carrot slices. Add bihun and let it absorb the soup. Stir-fry with chopstick to prevent bihun broken. Season with light soy sauce and pepper powder. Garnish with fried shallots. Bitter gourd fried bihun is ready. Optional to add dark soy sauce to add color. Cook this recipe and share with your family. They will love it too. Let's cook delicious shrimp today. Ingredients are shrimps, chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Trim shrimp and remove shrimp intestine. Season shrimp and marinate for 30 minutes. Chopped ginger. Fried shrimps until golden brown. fry with chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Seasoning with oyster sauce, sugar, and Shoshing wine. Stir fry for approximately 30 seconds. Plate it. Oyster sauce shrimp is done. Look at the color of the shrimp. Wow! It's yummy! Give it a try! Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah! Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.